There they are. They're waving. Well, did you think they saw us or what? Well, there's probably a lot of people waving their hands. They'll see themselves on TV a little later. Okay, here comes Hinsdale Crossing now.
Here's the old Grossman's. Pretty soon, Home Depot is going to be built right back of the trains. There'll be another like warehouse where the trains will make a stop.
Yeah, I wonder if any trains will serve that.
That'd be neat. There's Grossman's that got closed down about 6 months, 7 months ago. It used to be a good store. Now it's a fun shack for biking. Look at all these guys. This is a big event.
Yeah, nice looking ditch here. Out by Southern Container.
Southern Container Manhattan on the other window.
Really?
No, it's
Oh, okay, good idea.
Southern Container Manhattan.
Southern Container Manhattan, what do you mean?
It's like a little hard to see.
Yeah, sir, just don't be leaning too far out the window.
Yeah, I got you.
Over to the window. Go all the way over to the window.
Perfect.
Somebody else.
We're coming up to Eslinbaums now. And around the bend.
Don't drop it there.
I know it. I'm not going to hang it out too many more times. In fact, that's the last time I hang it out the window. I can't see what I'm shooting anyway when I do that, so. Well, this is not very glamorous stuff, though. But pretty soon we'll have some real nice views here.
Eslinbaums? That's a big place. I didn't think it was that big. Well, this is Eslinbaums. Both of the buildings.
Camillus Trestle.
Is this the Kyle Camillus bridge that you were talking about? Wow.
Oh, it's on to the village of Camillus. We got some cliffs around here. Really scenic stuff. Coming up on Martisco Station. This would be the Beanery on this side, coming up just a minute. What a mess. Nine Mile Creek.
Look at that. We're off the track now. We can crash it. Look at all that water.
In a little while, honey.
This is the bridge we drive on.
Yeah.
Bridge we drive on.
It's a neat tunnel. Go through in a car there underneath us. A little too late for that.
Prices down 95 cents next week. You're gonna get a buck. What's quicker?
that's for sure. Too hard to hold it still. There's our Jeep 9 that'll be pulling us coming home. Right up to the end of that car. Sounds like another crossing coming up.
How's the weather down there?
No, no. Nice old car there.
Say that. No, but don't say it.
Silly.
Look at that barber
Be
shop.
silly. This is our destination here. Skaneateles Junction. A lot of photo buffs out today. Nice
Oh,
little-
look at that vet.
Not bad, not a bad vet there.
Not bad. Yeah.
This one not the
Seen that
first
guy before. What? I want to get out here too. That was like my spot.
one. I don't know. Just for a second
I'm
here.
talking to Anna.
Nope.
Did you get a good shot of our 808?
What's that?
Did you get a good shot of our 808?
I got it yesterday. It was parked on Milton Ave there.
Oh, alright.
I live right by there. It's a good effort. A lot of good photo ops this weekend.
Turn around and before you could say, wait a minute, I jumped. I have awesome. Lunchtime at Martinsville Station.
I go down the hill with it, follow me, and I go to the park. Tell you what,
All right. Because before we were going, now we're going forward. Before we were going backward. That's why I was disoriented. Back to Buffalo. I said back to Buffalo. Steam pulling us.
Yeah.
Right off to a fast start.
Yeah, we did. This is downhill now. Oh, it's beehives back there. You can see into 9 Mile Creek Valley there, Billy.
Oh, really?
That's what it is down there. Okay, this is Sunday. June 25th, 1997, one day after our excursion train rides on the new, hello there, how are you? Coming down the Finger Lakes line. And this would be the tunnel overpass over Route 174, just a little west of Martisco Station, and the train will be coming down through this area in just a few minutes. There's some of the track right up there. We'll be going back to the station to catch Lackawanna 808 coming through pretty soon.
I think 220. I should have it memorized by now. I keep looking at it. That's good. Yeah, 220 will stop on its way up from Skinny Atlas and we'll be here at Singapore. Yeah, there we go. Oh, there you go. That's some good weather for it. Yeah. Well, if I get the help of it. Yeah.
And here we are at Martisco Station.
The best way to go to Heartlat would be to go down up over by the fence. That's 21. You know better than me.
And it's Memorial Day. Bill's getting ready to go on his Green Lakes bike ride.
Memorial Day Green Lakes ride. Pretty cool.
Little adjustments here. Bye.
Okay, see you later.
See you later. Have a good one.
Red light.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom.
That's how life should be. Before my second cup of coffee, a little bike ride at Green Lakes in the morning.
And here they come, from the front yard into the backyard.
My hand, it looks like she needs a...
Here we are. Hi, everyone.
No, not an ugly face. I'm going to a birthday party.
In our beautiful backyard.
And a beautiful deck. Oh, I know. Leave it running. Leave it running.
Okay, I'll leave
Just
it running.
hand me the camera.
Okay.
Special effects here. All right, now we get you up on our deck.
Here I am.
Up on the
With our beautiful
roof.
lilacs from our backyard, which greeted me when I
Let's
came
see.
home
Let
from
me.
work on Friday
There's the
afternoon.
telephoto effect.
And our little daughter. And our Adirondack chairs that Bill and Billy went up to. Old Forge to get.
Hi. Hi.
And we fade away.
How do you fade away? Other than, you know, the conventional ways. What do you do?
Big button on the left.
Oh, okay. Fade button on the left. Fade button on the left. We'll fade out on Anna here. Ready to fade, Anna? Okay, stand right there. Stand right there. Let me see your face. Hold it. Here it goes.
No,